Good morning! I love mornings. I don't like having voice though. It kind of drives me bonkers. 8:20 on a Sunday. We're gonna go get coffee. Pumpkin cream cold brew. Kind of coffee. So I'm gonna get changed. I'm so happy the sun's out! Okay, oh wow. By the way, a lot of you have been asking me where I got this galaxy light. I got it off of Amazon. I keep it on every night before I go to bed. I'll link it in the description box down below. The company did send it to me, so they gave a coupon code for you guys. I don't make commission or anything off of the coupon code. It's just for you guys to save money. What's happening with my eyeball? I just have this little set on from Boohoo. Super comfortable. Wanna go for a ride? I think it's so excited. Look at this little jumping bean. Boop. Alrighty. Ah! I got tangled. The sad story that I wanted to talk about. If you don't know, I'm a huge animal lover. There's 3 things that really just pull at my heartstrings. Babies, elders, and animals. A couple weeks ago, I went to this house for a animal cruelty investigation because a passerby called in that he saw someone throw a puppy against a windshield. How disgusting. We've been looking into it, trying to locate the people that live there. No one is supposed to be living at this house. We were able to gain entry into the home and the landlord was on scene. He was annoyed because people were living in his house. So we go in there and we find a puppy, which I can only assume is the same puppy from the previous incident. And then we find a grown dog. How could you do that to a little puppy? I actually picked up the puppy and I didn't let it go until dog control got there. I wanted to keep it. They're now in a shelter, but I pray to God that they get a good home and they get owners who love and want to take care of them. This is what cops encounter. We encounter terrible, heart-wrenching, disturbing things. I just want people to realize what we go through and take it into consideration and what we see on a daily basis, what we have to deal with. That's why I'm really confused on why people keep saying defund the police, get rid of the police. I'm sorry, are you gonna go to these disturbing calls and investigate the entire situation? Are you gonna do the report? Are you gonna take the photos of the dead bodies? Who's gonna do all that stuff? Because I guarantee 90% of the population wouldn't be able to do that. Trying to understand both sides because, you know, everyone's entitled to their own opinion. But when I hear that people are bashing my subscribers, people that follow me on Instagram because they're in support of police, that is asinine. We don't go around bashing you for supporting the other side. I'm just saying that everyone needs to acknowledge that people have different opinions and no one should be bashed for their opinion. Like, I just think it's so stupid. People being bashed because they support police officers, get over it, okay? Like, that's so ridiculous. Thank you to each and every one of you who supports police officers, who has given kindness to any police officer. We all appreciate it, and just keep being the best you. We're in the Starbucks line and it's significantly long. What an angel. I'm thinking about getting a P.O. box. I know a few of you have expressed before that you'd like if I got one, which is so sweet of you guys. I looked into it before. You gotta set it up online and then you go to the post office that you want to get a P.O. box at. I won't be able to get the keys until tomorrow if I actually signed up for one today. That way I can give that address to brands for collabs and stuff like that, and then to you guys. Hi, can I get a venti pumpkin cream cold brew with light ice? Excuse me, ma'am. You're not supposed to be up here. And flip your ear back.
Is that pumpkin cream for you?
Thank you.
Absolutely.
Holy cannoli ravioli. Trying to call my parents. Hello?
Hello?
Jeez.
She's talking to Dad on your phone.
I figured because it didn't go to the voicemail. see you guys in a little bit.
Alright.
Okay, bye. It's so cute. My parents watch my videos. I was just talking to my dad about the milestone that I made on YouTube. I'm gonna kind of pause on the electronics for right now, and I'm going to journal a little. My little guy got wet. This is the 5-minute journal. I just think these kind of things are just nice to do. I like that it has a morning section and then it has a night section. It's just for daily affirmations, what you're grateful for, what's gonna make today great, just to keep our positivity up and about. So I'm gonna do that. All right, it's time to work out.
What's up, Peloton? You were here for—
Just finished my workout. Today was definitely one of those days where I did not feel like working out at all. I still pushed and did the best that I could. Now it's done and over with, and I can have the rest of my day. Just got out of the shower. Hair is all wet. Put my little outfit back on because I literally only wore it for a couple hours. This is a Italian horn that my mom and dad got me for Christmas one year. And then this just says my name. I got it at mynamenecklace.com. And then this ring is from Alex and Annie. Bracelets are from Etsy. That little bracelet down there is from Amazon. This was a diamond that my aunt and uncle actually brought back from Mexico. And I just turned it into a ring. We are gonna go to my parents' house for dins.
That's all your stuff. If you don't want it, burn it.
What the hell is this?
Those are your plans.
Can you braid my hair?
Yeah, how do you want it
I want
braided?
like those French braids, like the pigtail French braids.
The what?
The pigtail French braids.
Pigtail.
Yeah, you know the ones where it like starts up here?
Oh, yeah.
What's in here? Scissors. There's a plate on there so Cooper doesn't get into it.
Come on, I look like hell.
Is this the case of wine?
Yeah, that's the Happy Dance line.
Oh, you got Happy Dance instead of... What happened to what's his name?
O'Leary?
O'Leary.
That auto ship expired.
My mom has a subscription on QVC, and you get so many wines with a subscription, like all of these. It's insane. So I picked out Cabernet Sauvignon, Pinot Gris, Sauvignon Blanc.
Really wish you'd get into something else, man, because you're...
We need the balls.
going along.
Wait, so what's the point of this?
Great.
Wait, what's the point of this?
The bugs and the flies, Ralph said.
They do that at restaurants in New
Good old Ralph.
But did it do anything or no?
No,
Yeah.
it didn't do anything.
It didn't do anything.
Oh,
Why is that up so high?
because it's a circus tent.
Oh, it is so much better. Congratulations.
Oh, thanks. We got a package. This is from Early Organics. This is the unicorn whipped body butter, and it smells like cotton candy. This is the Acai Your Boobies Lifting Boob Polish, firm and tightening. Oh, that smells like gummy bears. Buns of Glory, so smoothing butt polish. This smells like watermelons. Look at this. Don't you just want to eat it? Okay, so I've actually seen this at Urban Outfitters. This is the Mary Jane Glow Serum. They actually let me pick out the products that I wanted. I've never tried anything from this brand. I'm super excited. This is the Unicorn Fruit Lip Plumping Balm. That looks so cute. Oh my gosh. And then the last thing here, I really wanted to try a body serum. So this is the Jelly Booster Pigment Treatment Body Potion. I'm so excited to try this stuff. Thank you so much to Truly Organics. I did a lot of damage at Trader Joe's. Before we get into the Trader Joe's haul, it is September 11th, and I just want to take the time to acknowledge all of the amazing people that we lost September 11th. So many people that dedicated their lives to saving others. I think it's really important during this time that we acknowledge and we notice all of these hardworking nurses, police officers, firefighters that help and serve citizens on a regular basis. We will always remember everyone who lost their lives that day. I got a lot at Trader Joe's. So I'm gonna show you guys what I picked up. There's a lot of things. First thing being eucalyptus, because I wanna put this in my room. Oh, I also got a cinnamon broom. Do you guys remember these? Does anyone else get cinnamon brooms? I just think that they smell divine. This is Italian truffle cheese. Never tried it, but I'm excited to try that. Jalapenos, little cucumbers, because I like these as a snack for work or at home. Dip them in hummus or Greek yogurt ranch dressing. Pumpkin ravioli, butternut squash ravioli. I like to eat good stuff on my cheat days. I got these from my dad. These are just pumpkin biscotti, mandarins, zucchini, butternut squash macaroni and cheese. Super excited to try that. Hold the cone in pumpkin ginger, lemons for lemon water, Asiago cheese, spaghetti cacio e pepe. This sounds really good. It's like a creamy cheese sauce. This is my favorite thing at Trader Joe's. These are the gnocchi and gorgonzola. It is so freaking good. This is definitely a cheat meal. And then this is gnocchi alla sorrentino. I've had this before. It's really good. Pomegranate seeds, spaghetti squash, cheese-filled fiocchetti with pink sauce. Just sounded so good. Spicy cashew butter dressing. I had to get more garlic powder. Bananas, colored carrots. I thought would be really good in a pan with oil and garlic. Raspberries, blackberries, blueberry lavender almond beverage. Tara Michelle talks about this on her channel all the time, so I wanted to give it a whirl. Mango, which is my favorite fruit. Butternut squash zigzags, which is a nice alternative to french fries. Sweet potato ribbons I want to put in salads. Milk chocolate covered peanut pretzels. Got the girls some dog treats. The mint bones. These are just jerky sticks. Salmon jerky. Maple leaf cookies. I love crunchy stuff. Have stuff in moderation. When you eat the whole thing in one sitting, that's when it becomes a little, you know. This is the Autumn Harvest creamy pasta sauce. Trader Joe's cold brew coffee. I love the chameleon cold brew, but I love trying other cold brews just to see if they compare. Got another mango. The Autumn Harvest soup. It's made with tomato, pumpkin. And the last thing I got, habanero hot sauce. I can never get to Trader Joe's because it's kind of far from me and it's in like a weird location. So I don't really go on a regular basis, but when I go, I like to stock up. It looks cute. I like that. Nice little eucalyptus. This is how I decorated the other side. That's my side where I sleep. This is the other side. I like when things are symmetrical. So if I have something over there, I typically like to put it over here. I just think it's visually appealing. So I put another one of these bottles that I had, and then I put some eucalyptus in here with water. This little candle that my friend Al got me. I love it so much. And then just this little S. Whee! You guys, this drives me bonkers though. I hate the look of cords. I think it looks so messy. All right, it's 3:46 and I need to eat lunch. I think I'm gonna make this spaghetti squash. This looks pretty darn good. We'll give it a little taste test. Put some cheese on the top with red pepper flakes. It's hot. But this is good. I like it. It's nice and light. And I like the idea of the marinara sauce. Yeah, I like that. That is a winner in my book. Just cut up some lemons. I like to do this every so often and then place them in a glass container because it preserves it way better. Paper towels on the bottom just so it kind of soaks up some of the moisture. I cut up 2 lemons, place it in here, and then I have lemons for when I make lemon water, which I usually like to do almost every day. I actually don't like ice water. I don't like cold water. I like room temperature water. Which is so weird and so bizarre. I'm going to end the vlog here. I want to start doing 1 vlog a week. So I'm still trying, fingers crossed, to upload at least 2 to 3 times a week. It's really hard with a full-time job. I'm trying to get into a nice little groove. Let me know if you guys like that idea. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe. What are you doing? Isn't it so funny how people talk to their animals? Zoe, you're the cutest little thing to ever exist. You saying goodbye? Oh, are you saying goodbye? You're saying goodbye to the camera? Oh, oh man.